What to wear for your video chat.
Webcam fashion tips.
Dress for success before you log on.
Your favourite clothes.
May not be webcam friendly,
It's okay to dress casual.
but look presentable. Avoid stripes,
Patterns,
chevrons,
checkers,
polka dots and plaids.
loud logos,
Busy prints
loud text.
and jewellery that jingles, sparkles and reflects.
They all cause distractions.
And draw attention away from your message. Wear colours that contrast with your background so you can stand out.
And out.
Stick to jewel tones,
And solid colours.
which look great with all different skin tones. Don't wear your hair wrap or your bathrobe. Don't dress from your waist up. You may need to stand up during your chat.
And get caught with your pyjama bottoms on.
Keep these tips in mind and you'll look and feel great.